Yeah, hi friends, this is Manoj Tyagi. So today I'm going to start a video about how to use Razorpay API to use IFSC code to get the details of a bank. So I have created a project in .NET Core. So let me share the structure. So here is the home controller. I have created a model for bank details basically. So what details I have to fetch from my API. I have created a index page to get the data and some dependencies related to JSON news and JSON. So let me share the controller basically. So in my controller I have created a method that is get branch details by IFSC bank. So in this I am just sending IFSC code from front end, and that will execute my method, and that will result the bank details basically. So on front end I have created HTML like this. You will see here is the IFSC code HTML. I will enter IFSC code here, and I will click this button to check that if that IFSC code is available or not. And I am writing a AJAX method to fetch that data. So let me run the project so that we can see the output of this project, how it will work. Wait for a second so that the project will execute. We can see the result here. Till then, let me share the things with you. So I am parsing this result response to getting API response, and I am deserializing that to bank model basically. So when any response comes in JSON format, I will deserialize that to bank model, and this bank model will hold that result basically. So let us check here. So the page is ready right now. Let me enter something and let me check. Click this. Now execute. So this is the Razor API. I'm just getting this from front end and passing that to my API, and that API will give me the API response basically. In this response you can see JSON string is there: branch, center, district, state, address. You will get the complete address. RTGS है इसके पास नहीं है, कॉन्टैक्ट, सिटी, नेफ्ट है कि नहीं है, IMPS यूज होता नहीं है, MISCR, and bank name, bank code, IFSC code, each and everything you can see here. So for this response I have created a model, this bank model, so that this response is deserialized to this particular model, and you will see each and every response will come here. So you can see in bank model I am getting address, bank, bank code, branch, center, city, contact, district, IFSC, IMPS, MICR, NEFT, state, UPI. So you can use this API easily in your project so that you can get the IFSC code when you are going to make a payment page. So you can use this. You can take the data from user and you can use this. Let me check another. I see 0. 84. Let me check, is that working? APIs, no, that is not found. So let me check IFSC code for any IFSC code. ICICI Bank sector 56 Chandigarh. If you have already the details, because your customer knows everything, so you will see here. Let me enter, and now I will check that this will work now. So this is the response. This is the response from my API. Yeah, RTG is true. Address is this. District center Chandigarh, city Chandigarh, branch sector 46, state Chandigarh, amateur, contract, district. So you will get each and every thing about that bank, and you can use that result in your API basically in your front end page. So this is the JSON result. I am using this, and you can also see that result in my console. So here is the bank detail. You can see each and everything is coming here. So this is for now. Thanks for watching.